Hello friends, this is Vivek from Gadget Guide and in today's video I am sharing a quick hands-on review of Samsung On 5. Samsung launched the On 5 in India at a price tag of $8,990 and it is available exclusively on Flipkart starting midnight. On the specification front, it features 5-inch HD IPS display which is a resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels. The resolution is pretty good and I haven't found any problem with the resolution as of now. Above the display there is a Samsung branding, typically 5 megapixel camera with an angel sensor. Below the display there is a home button which is seen in many Samsung devices and there are back and buttons. On the right hand side there is a power key. At the back there is a 8 megapixel camera with a display, speaker, Samsung branding and there is a push button by which you can remove the back panel of your device, and removing the back panel will assist to 2600 mAh battery with dual SIM and there is a micro SD card slot. The build quality of the back panel is same as seen in other Samsung devices. At the bottom there is a 25mm audio jack and a micro USB slot for charging the device. On the left hand side there is a volume lever key. At the top there are nothing as such. Looking at the build quality of the device, it's a pretty good well-built device and you find a premium feel when you hold the device. Clicking on the notification toggle panel gives you access to all settings and it is powered by 1.3 GHz quad-core EXY 3475 processor which is paired with 1.5 GB of RAM and 8 GB inbuilt memory. That inbuilt memory can be expanded further up to 128 GB. As you can see that it runs on Android version 5.1.1. On top of it there is a touch wheel UI, Samsung touch wheel UI, and it's a dual SIM smartphone and really when you hold the smartphone it doesn't look like a cheap device and it has all connectivity features. 4G LTE dual SIM smartphone and really at a price tag of 9,000 you will get a 4G LTE enabled smartphone and that too from Samsung. It is round edges and there is a metal fan. On the side you can see there is a buttons and placement around. That's all for it. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to share this video with your friends. We share more of the device when I will receive it. This is your host Vivek signing off. Do subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any of the upcoming videos.